Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A traditional thermal walk can take a week for a large plant. Our agents process the same site in under an hour of flight time and minutes of compute. This isn't about replacing people, it's about multiplying what your existing team can actually cover. Coverage, frequency, and depth. The drone does the dangerous, repetitive capture, ClearSpot's agents handle the analysis, and engineers focus on remediation strategy. We walk through inspection hours saved per MW, defects detected per flight, and how quickly issues go from found to fixed when agents pre-triage everything. The 100x is not a buzzword, it is the ratio between manual image review and agent-driven triage at portfolio scale. Engineers sign off on findings, decide on work orders, and handle complex edge cases. The agent handles the grind of find every hotspot, string issue, and failure pattern. The inspection efficiency, benchmarks sheet, and a sample agent versus manual comparison are in this video's resources. Access them via the ClearSpot demo page by requesting the AI versus human inspection resource for this episode. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.